What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We got a different video for you this week. It is the start of our spring break and we are headed down to Destin, Florida. Got the family car packed up. It's a 14-hour drive, so let's see how it goes. But look at this. It's spring here, it is snowing, and we could not have picked a better day to drive down to Florida. We are going down for 5 nights and I got this whole thing packed up. Definitely way too much stuff that we need, but I guess one of the benefits of driving down is you can take as much as you want. So let's close this guy up and get going. All right, so there is the route, 14 hours and 9 minutes. We are ready. Truck is ready. Family's ready. You guys ready?
Yeah.
No, why not?
I don't want to drive 14 hours and 9 minutes.
It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. I think it's going to be fun. We'll see. All right, first stop, we are in southern Illinois. Still have a couple hours left before Nashville. I was planning on getting some barbecue here at 17th Street, but it's a little bit too far out of the way, so we're gonna eat dinner in Nashville, find a good spot down there. But so far, trip's coming along pretty well. There you go, stretch out. We got a few more hours. You look kind of miserable, actually.
I know I am.
So our plan was to eat dinner in Nashville, but it's a little bit late. It's around 8 o'clock. We're about an hour out, and by the time we get there, and it's a little rowdy, it's spring break, so we're gonna eat here at the Golden Arches. Spend the night somewhere nearby, find a hotel, and then continue on tomorrow. What is up, everybody? We are ready to hit the second leg of our trip. Another crazy story. The original hotel we had booked for last night was that reservation was canceled because they were overbooked, and we ended up driving outside of Birmingham, Alabama. We are in Jasper. The whole situation was just crazy with the hotels and how it all worked out. But anyways, we have about 4.5 hours to Destin, so we're gonna get everything packed up, get going, and hopefully make it down there. Then have a chance to get barbecue in Nashville. But look at what we found. Kendall's Barbecue. Ooh, right on the side of the road. It's got to be good. I'm gonna get 2 of those, side of fries, and 2 iced teas. You know, 2 pulled pork sandwiches. I already know these fries are gonna be good. Look at that. Fries are nice. Really hot.
Want it?
Look at that.
Okay, do you want the bagel?
It's good.
Yeah.
Side of the road barbecue spots, probably my favorite. Super tasty, all cooked right back there. Nice little meal before we finish off our trip or get to our destination.
And we arrived. Yay, we're here. Let's go.
Hi, we're not checking in today. $11:21, guys. All right, lead the way. Most exciting part about a new hotel is, nope, not that way. Look at the signs.
It's gonna be on this way.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so definitely not this way. Here we go. Here we go. Get the lights. Get the lights. Wait, what? What is this?
What?
There's bunk beds. There's bunk beds.
Oh, I want to talk.
Hang on, let's see. Bathroom. Okay. Ooh, look at this. Oh, this is it right here. This is it. Can you open it? Oh, yes. Wow.
We're at the top of the world.
Look at that. What do you think?
Super nice.
super nice. This is amazing. All right, so we are changed. Got our Florida attire on. We're gonna go explore the resort and see what we got here.
I want to feel the water.
Sure. Feel the water. How is it? First things first, a couple margaritas, non-alcoholic for the kids, of course, and a couple doubles for us, regular and strawberry. Ooh, not too bad. All right, this is why we're here. We're here for the beach. Did you see any jellyfish? Jellyfish?
No. It's right there.
Oh, look.
Oh, it's not a jellyfish.
No, what is that?
Touch it.
No, that's not a jellyfish. Somehow we always end up at a mini golf course. These guys just can't get enough of it, but this is kind of cool. You get all these palm trees. Check it out, looks really cool at night. Pool's all lit up. See the beach, the water. Man, this is a great spot. Oh my gosh, we spent one day outside in this nicer weather. My seasonal allergies are already acting up. But let me show you guys this kid setup because this is so cool. Look at these bunk beds. How cool is that? You got your own little sleeping nook here. I am so jealous. Look at this guy up there. Hey, you like it?
Yeah.
What about you? Are you liking it down here?
Yeah.
There you go. Alright, pretty excited for today. It is our beach day. We're gonna go get set up here. Get the kids some toys, boogie boards. Should be a nice day. Alright, quick break from the beach for lunch, and we got a couple of pizzas from the restaurant downstairs. First up, we've got barbecue chicken, which is looking really nice, and a pepperoni pie. Not too bad. It's a really good pizza. You like it? Yeah, nice crust. Oh yeah. So we came to the indoor pool. It's pretty nice outside today, but it's a little windy, and coming out of the water it just seemed super cold. And this place has this amazing indoor pool setup where it just feels like a sauna in here, so it is perfect. We ended up going back to the beach that evening just to walk around, explore, and it was awesome. This was our first time on the Emerald Coast, the Panhandle in Florida, and I can see why the area is so popular. These were some of the best beaches we've ever been on. Super soft sand, very big, nice and spacious. The kids had a blast running around. The sun was setting down, and it was just a really nice way to spend some time with the family on the beach on our first night at the resort. And the next day we took a drive down to Rosemary Beach, about a half an hour away, and it was almost like going to a different country. It did not feel like Florida at all with the buildings and the architecture. It's a super popular spot right on the water. Tons of little shops and restaurants all on the main road, and even though it was spring break and there were a bunch of people there, it did not really feel overcrowded. We had to find a local ice cream shop to finish things off.
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh. Alright, we are back in Destin, and we will be trying out the Back Porch. Lots of recommendations for the spot, so we will see how it is. No worries. We got the oysters to start, and they look really good. Wow. So we got some shrimp tacos. We got crab stuffed shrimp, which looks amazing. Kids got, what'd you get, popcorn shrimp?
Yeah.
And chicken tenders. Let's go. And the food was delicious, super flavorful, nice and fresh, great selection of seafood, protein, steaks, really can get whatever you want. Everybody loved their meal, service was awesome. We also got some key lime pie for dessert, and it was one tasty meal. Oh, crummy weather today. It's okay, overcast. They're forecasting some rain. It's okay, we're still on vacation, so it's all good. Man, look at those waves. Here, leave your shoes. Wow. It's so windy. Look at his hair. Let's go check out the breakfast situation, see what we got down there. And the situation was good. The hotel offers an awesome breakfast buffet, and we went there every morning. And one of my favorite parts about it was that kids under 12 ate free. And anytime you can save money on your vacation is always a good time. There was a great selection of foods, all your kind of standard breakfast stuff: eggs, bacon, hash browns, pancakes, plenty of fruits, yogurt, cereal, really anything you want, which was awesome because the kids could get exactly what they liked. One of my favorite stations was this omelet and waffle station. You could get fresh made-to-order omelets and these delicious chocolate chip waffles, which I ate pretty much every day, topped with some salty bacon, some maple syrup, and that was my go-to breakfast every day. Getting a nice big breakfast every day really set us up for the whole day, so we wouldn't have to spend as much on food otherwise. We pretty much just did breakfast in the morning, a very light lunch or a snack midday, and then dinner in the evening. Okay. So we are back in the hotel, have to get cleaned up and head out to dinner, but check this out. Now it feels like spring break. The beach is full of people, there's people on the loungers, in the pool. The weather is great, sun is shining. Oh yeah, this is what it's all about. So for dinner tonight we are going to Boshamps. Boshamps, I think that's how you say it. I've seen my buddy Matt Pittman from Meat Church Barbecue talk about this place all the time. It looks pretty amazing, so well, we're gonna try it out. So the restaurant is right up there, and while we wait for our table, there's this cool little sandy play area for the kids. They have games, bags, there's a hammock, a little bit of the water right there, plus you can see all the fishing boats that are docked in. This is really nice. Really nice. Yeah. Oh yeah, thank you. Nice. All right, we got the tuna dip. We got the oysters Boshamps with sauteed Vidalia onions, some bacon marmalade on top, and a couple of raw boys. Ooh. Those are really nice.
What the heck?
Alright, here's our main dish. This is the original snapper. There's crab, there's shrimp, there's snapper. We got another fish dish here. Yeah, these are looking great. So dinner was delicious. Check out the views here. You can see the sunset, see the boats. Such a cool place. Alright, and just like that, it is time to go home. We are all packed up. You guys ready?
No, not at all.
Excited to go home?
No.
I'm excited. You excited to go home? Yeah.
Because I want to see Jax.
Yeah,
I know. We're excited to see Jax. Anyways, got everything packed up. Waiting for the luggage cart. Oh, I think it's here. And it is time to hit the road and go back home. And just like that, we are on our way back home. It was a really fun trip. The drive wasn't too bad either. We got a long way ahead of us, so we're gonna continue driving. And if you guys like this video, hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I will catch you next time.